Hi, welcome to This Darn Chick. Today I'm going to show you how to use your cording, the polyester cording that you get from Lowe's, to make coasters. You're going to tape the end of it, and then what you're going to do is you're going to sew an X through the center part of each side. Then you're going to take one hand and you're going to turn the cording, and the other hand you're going to use your finger as a guide to keep turning the cording so the machine will actually be able to secure to each side. Now you do want to use a zigzag stitch with this. Make sure that also your center part of your cording is taped, because you'll go back later and you'll re-sew over top of that. This is how you'll start to make your coaster. Once your coaster is finished, then you'll be able to actually take it over to the embroidery machine. Now we're at the embroidery machine. So I used Janome's embroidery pattern that they have on there of flowers. So I decided to go ahead and just use that little motif. It only took about 7 minutes to get it all done. So, and I used my Janome machine with it. So it just takes a little bit of time to do it, but I did do it in a little bit of like blue sewing thread. That was a little bit more tropical, because these coasters are going to be in my house and they're going to be in my living room area. So it doesn't take very long to actually get one of these done. They're actually kind of fun to do. You know, Janome, since they had that little design on there, I thought, well, why not just go ahead and do that one, because it was a little bit easier just to do instead of going to a site and picking up one or creating one tonight. Just for time's sake, that's why I went ahead and just used Janome's. Now they came out really, really pretty. It will show that I did it in blue, and then the outer edges is pink. It's kind of, the motif is kind of like an off-center pattern. So I do really, really like that actual thread that went with it. So the pink and the blue, it does look really pretty. So you want to kind of keep a watch on it. Like I said, it doesn't take very long in order to do this. I decided to just stick with 2 colors, and instead of going with 3 and 4 colors. So did really well though. Here I'm getting a closer look at it just to show you. You can see exactly where the threads are going, and they're actually outlining it. And it was supposed to be like a purple, but I just decided to do blue. My machine does really, really good. I do have the Janome500E, so you can do a lot of different embroidering projects. This was just one of them, but the coaster came out really great. On the other side, you're going to want to go ahead and clip these, get off any type of extras that are on there, but it looks really pretty. Well, thank you for being on my channel. Come back and see me. Please subscribe. Have a nice night.